Hello, today we will guide you through how to fade audio in PowerPoint. To get started, open PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation where you want to work with audio. If you are starting fresh, that is perfectly fine too. The main goal here is to bring an audio file into your slide so you can control how it ends more smoothly. Fading audio out is a helpful finishing touch because it makes the sound gradually lower in volume instead of stopping abruptly. Once PowerPoint is open, drag your sample audio file directly into the presentation. You can place it onto the slide where you want the audio to appear. PowerPoint will insert the file and usually display it as an audio icon on the slide. If needed, you can move that icon later, but for now, the important part is simply getting the audio into your presentation successfully. After the audio has been added, click on the sample audio so it is selected. This is an important step because PowerPoint only shows the audio-specific tools when the audio object is actively selected. If you do not see the correct options at the top of the screen, just click the audio icon again to make sure it is highlighted. Next, look at the top menu and click on Playback. This tab contains the controls related to how your audio behaves during the presentation. It is where you can make adjustments such as trimming, volume settings, and in this case, fade effects. Opening the Playback tab ensures you are in the right place to fine-tune the audio for a smoother listening experience. From there, find the fade out setting and adjust it to the amount you want. This controls how many seconds it takes for the audio to gradually become quieter before it ends. A shorter fade out creates a subtle ending, while a longer one can feel more polished and gentle, especially for background music or narration. Choose a timing that fits the style of your slide and the pace of your presentation. As you adjust the fade out, it can help to preview the audio so you can hear whether the transition sounds natural. If it feels too sudden, increase the fade time a little. If it fades too early, reduce it slightly until it matches what you need. That is all it takes to create a cleaner, more professional ending for audio in PowerPoint. Once your fade out is set the way you want, your presentation audio will end much more smoothly during playback.